Welcome to EQMint Impact Individuals, a series where we talk to inspiring innovators who make a real impact. Today we are speaking to Mr. Mehul Shah, the director of ACME Machinery Company. So sir, can you please introduce yourself?
Myself, Mehul Shah. I am the director of ACME Machinery Company. Our company is established since 1961 and we are serving to the packaging industry and partner in growth to the various organization who has grown from zero to a big empire.
Okay. So what are the key machines and technologies that you are exhibiting in this exhibition?
In this exhibition, I have exhibited the automatic flute laminator machine, which is suitable to run from A, B flute, C flute, E flute, F flute, which will help the corrugators to convert their conversion of a raw material from in a span of half an hour to 1 hour from paper to board.
Okay. So how is automation transforming the corrugated packaging?
Automation is now a key for every packaging industry where the vendors are not giving them sufficient time to deliver the product in the big quantity. So only with the help of automation they can achieve their targets and also build their quality and name in the industry.
Okay. How do your machines help manufacturers to reduce their production cost?
See, once you speed up your conversions of from raw material to finished goods, the labor cost automatically gets down. Plus, your inventory also gets down. Also, your rotation of working capital gets fast. So this helps them to increase their profitability in every aspect. So this is the key for the industry right now.
Okay. So what are the future trends you see in this industry in the next 5 years?
We see future trend as more of a specialized and niche market products which who specially design their boxes with more value addition will definitely grow with good profitability.
Okay. So now let us quickly switch to a rapid fire round. One word that describes ACME Machinery Company.
ACME Machinery Company is always trustworthy and partner in growth.
Okay. Manual or fully automatic, what is your choice?
Preferably automatic.
Okay. One message for our Corupack visitors and EQMint audience.
Well, I will say that just have a look at all the equipments been showcased over here. There are a lot of things with mix and match which will help you in developing and growing faster.
Okay. That's it for the podcast. Thank you so much for your time.
Thanks a lot for giving the opportunity. Thanks.
Thank you. To all our listeners, do follow EQMint for more such innovative updates. Until then, stay tuned, stay driven and keep innovating.